Hi guys, this is Reshma. So to solve this question, we need to find the first and second derivative of y, right? So to do that, first we'll differentiate this term. Okay. To do that, we need to use the chain rule. So this is the chain rule, guys. So let's start solving it step by step using the chain rule. Let me show you what will be the steps. So guys, this is how we are going further. So the derivative of this will be 1, right? We'll write it as 1, and this will be 6 square 1 by a log y into 1 by a is constant. Derivative of log y with terms of y will be 1 by y to dy by dx. Let me rearrange the statement. It will be 1 by ay into 6 square 1 by a log y into dy by dx, and dividing both sides by ay, guys, we'll have ay on the left and 6 square 1 by a log y dy by dx on the left side. Good. So we'll mark this as first equation. We'll be needing it later. So guys, continuing, as you can see on the right side we have two functions, x square 1 by a log y into dy by dx, right? Dy is the second function. So to continuing and to find the derivative, we need to use the product rule, guys. And we use the product rule when we need to find the derivative of the product of any two functions. So on the right side it will be a into dy by dx, and first we'll find the derivative of 6 square, okay, 1 by a log y into dy by dx. The second function will be as it is, plus now the derivative of the second function into the first function, 1 by a log y, right? So it will be a dy by dx into derivative of 6 square, guys, will be twice 6 square 1 by a log y into tan 1 by a log y into 1 by a to dy by dx whole into dy by dx. That is the first part only, guys, okay? That is till the addition. Now plus continuing, derivative of dy by dx is d square y by dx square, right, into 6 square 1 by a log y. Cool. So guys, as you can see here, this is ay is 6 square, this term ay is 6 square 1 by a log y, right? So we'll be putting it in this step and this one. So let me rearrange it and then we'll explain it further, okay? So it is ay on the a dy by dx, and I'm just rearranging the steps, guys. One sec. Yeah, 6 square x square 1 by 8 tan y, sorry, it is log y into dy by dx into 2 tan 1 by 8 log y divided by ay whole into dy by dx plus d square y by dx square into x square 1 by a log y. Okay, so this is, guys, this is what ay, right? Ay, as you can see here, this is ay. So we'll just put it in here. So it will be a dy by dx is equal to ay into twice ay tan 1 by a log y dy by dx plus d square y by x square So guys, continuing, the next step is a dy by dx. You can cancel the ay terms, and so it will be twice, guys, tan 1 by a whole 1 by a log y is x, right, as given in the question. Dy by dx plus d square by dx square into, guys, this will be 1 plus x square, as x is tan, so x square will be tan x square plus 1 will be x square. So we just need to rearrange it now. So it is okay. We are subtracting a dy by dx from both sides, so it will be 1 plus x square dy by dx square plus 2x, okay, let me write it in here, 2x dy by dx minus a dy by dx, right, is equal to 0. So it will be 1 plus x square dy by dx square plus 2x minus a dy by dx. So guys, this is proved. Thank you for watching the video.